how do y'all rock your Crocs? Do you put the strap in the front and wear them like slides, or do you put it in the back and wear them like sandals? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is AJ and welcome. So this weekend unfortunately wraps up the last weekend for Black History Month and also the last group of videos for my Black owned business product reviews. But it's okay because I will be doing another round of these again in the future, so stay tuned for that. But I'm super excited to do today's video because I got a pair of Crocs, y'all. I'm finally a part of the Croc gang. I've been seeing everybody and their mama wearing Crocs. I'm just like, those shoes are so ugly. Why do people buy them? And then one of my friends told me, girl, they're like walking on clouds. You gotta try it. And so luckily I was able to work with a company that actually designs custom Crocs. That's so exciting. So the company we're going to be working with today is called Boujee Pieces, and they were kind enough to send me a pair of Crocs customized as well as some jewelry. Now I'm going to give you a little bit of information about the company because I really think it's cool, and if you're looking to start your own business doing Crocs, you might want to hit them up. So like I said, the owner, what she does is she designs Crocs. So I'm going to show you my Crocs in a second, and she blings them out for you and everything so they look like custom Chanel, Gucci, Fendi, whatever you want on there, rhinestones, pearls, you name it, customized to your liking. And the Crocs come in a variety of colors and of course match to your size so you can actually rock your Crocs. And on top of that, she also sells charms, and then she also has like YouTube videos and wholesale opportunities. So like if you wanted to get into business, maybe selling your own Crocs or doing your own type of jewelry business and you just needed the charms, you can buy them from her at a discounted rate in bulk, which I think is really cool. So if you guys are interested in getting into that or just checking out the website to get your own custom Crocs, check the link down below in the description box. That's where I always link everything anytime I talk about a product in a video. So now let me go ahead and show you what she sent over because I'm too excited. I wanted to wear these for the longest time, but I didn't want to get them dirty or mess them up before showing you guys on camera. All right, so first I'm going to show you the jewelry. So the first thing that she sent me was this really cute, as I drop it. Okay, so what she sent me were these really cute bracelets. So I'm gonna just take them out. Well, let me just show you how they came. So they came in this cute box and they match my Crocs. So my Crocs are white, so this actually lines up perfect. Oh my gosh, they are so freaking cute. I can't wait to put them on. Okay, so these are the bracelets and they are so freaking cute. Like, I'm all about normalizing luxury, okay? That's my my company slogan, is normalizing luxury. And I mean, what better way to do that than by rocking bracelets that have luxury charms dangling from them, right? Like, they're so freaking cute, guys. Like, look how cute these are. That's the first thing that she sent me. Now moving on to the Crocs. So guys, these are the Crocs. Look how gorgeous. Y'all, oh my gosh, this camera does them absolutely no freaking justice. let me just let y'all get into these shoes real quick. Like, look at these. Like, look at them. So freaking cute. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get even closer so y'all can see the detail that she put into these Crocs. Like, they are fire, you guys. Freaking fire. So as you can see, along the top she has the gold chain, and then on the bottom trimming she has the rhinestone chain going around, and then on the top part of the shoe you have a variety of pearl and gold pearls. And then you also have some larger charms like the Chanel's, Gucci, Fendi, I think I saw Dior on here. Yes, I did. So look how cute they are. So I'm so excited to wear these Crocs, right? But I don't know how I'm supposed to wear them. I'm pretty sure you noticed that one shoe looks a little different. See, this one has the little strap in the front, and then this one has the strap on the back side. And she also did decorate that strap as well. So here's my dilemma. I feel like when you wear the strap in the front, it looks better from the side view. But from the front, I feel like it's too much. It's too much, right? But when you wear the strap in the back side, I feel like it really looks nice in the front because it gives you like a little bit of ankle action. But then on the side, it kind of looks like boat shoes. So I don't know how I'm supposed to wear Crocs. How do y'all rock your Crocs? Do you put the strap in the front and wear them like slides? Or do you put it in the back and wear them like sandals? I'm gonna demonstrate what I mean in a second. So first off, these shoes are freaking comfortable. They feel like, wow, these feel really comfortable. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the camera off the tripod, and I'm gonna put it like on the ground so you guys can see what I mean. Give me a second. Okay guys, so these are the shoes, okay? So this is what I mean. See, when you look at it from the front, right? This is with the strap on the back side. It looks really cute in the front. Gives you a little bit of action with your ankle, a little ankle foreplay, if you will, right? And then when you turn to the side, it kind of looks crazy with the strap on the back side. Like, I don't know, I feel like I'm about to go fishing in these. But the design on the front is what makes it so freaking cute. Right? Like from the front, it looks like maybe a cute tennis shoe that's blinged out. Then this one, I feel like it looks crazy with the strap in the front. But from the side, I feel like it looks way cuter. Like it's just, it hits different with the strap in the front. So, again guys, how do you rock your Crocs? Do you rock it like this? Or do you rock it like this? Like this or like this? I think I'm gonna y'all probably gonna clown me because I feel like this is not the right way, but I think I'm going to put the flap inside on the back side and just rock like that, because I feel like it looks better from the front like this. Like if it just looks better from the front like this. No? Yes? I don't know. But anyway, you guys, doesn't matter, because overall these Crocs in person are legit fire. Freaking fire. And if you want to get yourself some bedazzled, blinged out Crocs, head over to Boujee Pieces. Again, I will link all of their information down below in the description box. Their website as well as their Instagram. Just let them know that I sent you. And if you want yours customized a little bit further, like maybe, again, like I said earlier, if you just want rhinestones instead of pearls, or you just want pearls and no rhinestones, or maybe you just want rhinestone trimming and you don't want the chain, you know, you have options. So just DM her if you want something specific that you don't see on the website. And again, if you want to start your business venture making your own custom Crocs, then you can hit up her website as well to purchase these charms and other decorative pieces at a wholesale price. So thank you guys for watching, and this will conclude my Black owned business series. Thanks for checking it out. Share, share, share. We definitely want to support more Black owned businesses, not just because it's Black History Month, but just in general. Okay, thanks guys for watching. Bye.